Okay, so I'm going to show you the basic way to make a print. The beauty of this is that it's incredibly simple and yet it's incredibly versatile because there are a million different ways you can customize what you've put on your plate in order to make things that are interesting. So first things first, I'm going to set up my work area here. So I've got my printing plate, got my scrap paper, I've got my brayer, I've got some paint, and I've got wet wipes because those are always handy. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of paint, put that on the plate, just the size of a pea. It's like toothpaste, you really don't need very much. I'll put that down and I'm going to use my brayer to spread the paint out over the plate. So the way to do this is because it rolls, we have to just kind of roll it through the paint, and every time you get to the end, pick it up, because if you don't pick it up, you're only moving the paint in exactly the same spot. So you can roll both directions, but pick it up at the end. And then I will switch it to horizontal as well. So I'm picking up with every roll, trying to spread the paint out nice and evenly and get a nice even coating. So you can see in my plate here that there are a few little bits of other bits of paint, but that's totally okay because we'll pick that up in our print. So to clean my brayer, I'm just rolling it off on the page here, and I'm going to put a piece of paper on that before it dries. So I'm just going to center it, put it down, use my hands so that I can push it to make really good contact between the paper and the plate. I'll just rub it in for a minute. And then we will just kind of pull this up and see what happens. So you can see there are some spots where the paint started to dry rather quickly, but that's okay. That gives us texture, and what the texture in these are part of the reason they're so much fun and so interesting. So these are just little spots of paint, dried paint. Yeah, but that's a great background for something. So that's how you make your first print.